Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about things you should never do at the gym. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. When it comes to gym culture and gym do's and don'ts, we may think about some specific things such as taking showers after the gym, and more. But a gym, like any place, has its culture, its rules, and its etiquette. You may know what to do at the gym, such as having a proper dress, having a bottle of water, etc. Have you ever thought about the things you should never do at the gym? In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 8 things you should never do at the gym. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 8. Don't leave a mess behind. All gym goers are familiar with this. A foam roller, a mat, weight, and more are left on the floor. Who did this? No one knows. You should never be that person who leaves a mess behind itself. You should remember the cardinal rule of any gym, and after you have done your workout, you should put every piece in its own place. Put everything back where they belong, not where it is convenient for you. Your mama doesn't work here. Number 7. Do not lift very heavy weights. Lifting weights is an effective way to tone your body and shape a fit body, but when you are lifting very heavy weights that are not proper for your level, you just hurt yourself and your muscles. Try to make a gradual but permanent progress. If you want to reach your goals as soon as possible, not working out on your level doesn't help you. While you are doing your sets and reps, you should be able to breathe properly and do the movement with full concentration and focus, and also on your best range of motion. These tips help you to make lean muscles and increase your strength. Number 6. Don't stink. All people have degrees of body odor, and when someone goes to the gym and does at least 1 hour of exercise, this odor will surely increase. You should do your best to control it. You can try body splashes, deodorants, and many other products to control the bad smell of your sweat. A gym is a place where the body flashes out its toxins and impurities. It is so normal to have a smell after a workout, but you can manage it. Just do not overuse these products such as body sprays, perfumes, and colognes, because many people are allergic to these products and they can't breathe fine, and you may interrupt their exercise by overusing your perfume. Actually, it is best to avoid any types of strong smells. Just try to not have a bad smell. Taking shower immediately after your workout is the best you can do for yourself, your skin, and the people around you. Number 5. Don't talk too much. You are going to the gym to work out, and to do something for your health and fitness, not to talk. Talking too much at the gym with your friends will distract you from what you're doing. Also, talking to strangers is worse. Talking to people may interrupt their workout, and make them uncomfortable. The person you choose to talk to may be very serious about his or her workout program, and you will bother him or her with long and unnecessary conversations. If you must talk to someone, keep it brief, sweet, and to the point. Even if someone is your friend, try to lessen the conversation between you two. Because doing exercises needs concentration and focus, and when you are talking to someone you may be distracted from what you do, and your move goes wrong. As a result, you hurt yourself more than you get for your health and fitness. Number 4. Don't count loud. Counting your reps out loud is not something to be liked by others. People don't want to know which rep you're on. So keep it quiet and not scream it. When someone counts their reps out loud, it really bothers others, because everybody at the gym is counting their reps. When one person is counting loud, it can distract all the people around them, and they may mix up their own counting. So, keep it in your head, not in others. Number 3. Don't give anybody advice. Avoid giving advice in the gym, even if you are more professional than the others. There are 3 reasons not to do it. Number 1 is that you interrupt them during their workout, and you may make them mix up their reps and sets. Reason number 2 is that even if you are right, most people tend to act defensive and they won't accept your criticism. Do not waste your time talking to people to convince them they are wrong or right. Do what you should do. Number 3, the most important reason, if you are not a professional coach, you should never ever give someone any pieces of advice, because your advice may be wrong. If you really want to help them, talk to their coach. Number 2. Don't exercise in a crowded place. One of the worst things you can do at the gym is to be in the way of other people. Places like entrances, walkways, and aisles should not be crowded more than what they are. Exercising and resting in these places can cause hurt and damage to you and the passers-by. Exercise in a proper area. If your gym is too crowded, change your gym. You are going to the gym to be healthier, to be happier and calmer. Exercising in a crowded gym is a challenge in many aspects. So, do not exercise in a heavily trafficked area. When you are walking at the gym, do not be close to a person too much, especially while he or she is exercising. You never know when people lose their control or balance, they can dump the weight suddenly. This can hurt you and who is working. Number 1. Don't take off your shirt in public. This may happen a lot at gyms, but it is still odd for most people. Please respect other people and do not do personal things in front of them. Do you want to show off your body and your muscles? This is not a great way. It doesn't convey a positive vibe, it just makes you seem rude and people around you will feel insecure. What do you think? Which one of the items we mentioned earlier is more disgusting? Which one of these items is done by you? Feel free to share your ideas and experience with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.